don't think the bad will be as bad. I'm hopeful. I don't think interest rates are going to be as bad as what when I came into the workspace, into the industry space as an engineer, I know that we were facing interest rates that were just unbelievably high. I'm hopeful that doesn't happen. But there will be decisions made on cost of capital. There will be decisions made upon choices around capital equipment, new, replace, et cetera. And that's going to be similar. I think the thing that's going to be different is I believe the customer base and the marketplace will be more demanding today than it was yesterday. You know, you and I, we expect a lot more around speed, service, ability to get what we want, when we want it. I mean, Amazon changed that, streaming services changed that. Instant gratification is a norm. It's not a special nuance. So I think that your marketplace, your customer base is going to expect recovery fast rather than slow. And they're going to expect winning versus losing faster rather than slower. And they're not going to be tolerant. So I believe that's going to be more demanding than it was even yesterday. No one likes inflation. No one likes cost pressures. No one likes stressing around cost of capital. But someone's going to buy something in whatever industry or whatever competitive landscape you're in. There's always a next guy that can get the order if you don't get it. And there's usually a next and a next and a next. Leadership needs to think about what are the choices going to be made and can I beat the other guy and on what basis? So that's why I like to image. Again, I call it a stress test. Wouldn't you rather stress on paper and an analysis and come up with scenarios or ranges of outcomes rather than wait till you're in it, make a choice and realize it was the wrong one, which is what's been happening for the last 2 or 3 years? I mean, if you're going to move chips on the table, I'd like to know kind of what the probabilities are of those outcomes a lot more clearly.